In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Brazilian Portuguese and Memrise. Learning Brazilian Portuguese can be exciting, and Memrise offers a user-friendly platform to help. Start by creating an account and selecting a course tailored to your level. Engage with the content through spaced repetition and interactive exercises that reinforce vocabulary, phrases, and pronunciation. Consistency is key, so dedicate a few minutes daily to practice. The Memrise app allows for mobile learning, enabling you to study on the go. Joining the Memrise community can enhance your motivation, while supplementing your learning with language exchange partners, podcasts, or movies can improve your speaking and listening skills. Using Memrise has its pros and cons. On the positive side, it features a user-friendly interface, engaging content, a spaced repetition system for memory retention, a wide vocabulary range, and mobile accessibility. However, it has limitations, including a lack of speaking practice, potential subscription fees for advanced features, variable course quality, and less emphasis on grammar. Overall, Memrise is an effective tool for learning Brazilian Portuguese, particularly for building vocabulary. By combining it with additional resources, you can enhance your language learning experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.